All right, so this is the total sales for 2018, the total liquor sales that is, and what I've done is I've picked the top 10 brand name liquors that we are going to evaluate to see really what's going on. So you're going to want to write these down. We're going to evaluate Tito's, Kettle One, Jack Daniel's, Captain Morgan, Grey Goose, Jameson, Irish Whiskey, Tanqueray, Absolute, Maker's Mark, and Stoli. And one of the first things you're probably going to want to do is create a inventory sheet with all the locations that these could be. It might look something like this. And as you already know, we count bottles in tenths. So if something is half empty, then it's 0.5. And obviously we can have 2.2, 3.1, and so on. And then in the closet, I'm going to assume that we always have whole numbers just because nothing is opened in the closet. All right, so I'm sure you understand this already, so this might be the first step. Then collect the inventory throughout the building. After that, what you're going to do is go to the back end of Toast, and you're going to find the inventory module right over here. And to input the inventories, you go up here to New under Worksheets, and then choose Configuration, Liquor, and then you're going to set the time. So you want to make sure that this is the time you actually counted the bottles, not the time you're inputting right now, because what it'll do is it'll disregard all sales after this time and include all sales before this time in the variance report. So then you'll go ahead and hit submit, and then what you need to do is either, if you have the totals already, you can go ahead and enter the totals in this column over here. Alternatively, if you want them to add it up, then you can select the closet and then enter in the total from the closet over here, and then go to the main bar and enter in main bar totals, and then upload the numbers like that. So that's how you input the inventory, and then obviously whenever we have an order come in, then we're going to have to work with the invoices. So we have to add an invoice, and to do that, select distributor, state liquor, invoice number. You can input that in, make sure the date's right here, the invoice date, and then you can just start adding in whatever we've purchased, whatnot. And all these ingredients are already uploaded, so with the quantities and prices and whatnot, so all that work is already done for you. There's an upload feature right here. I don't know what that is, but that could be kind of cool. All right, anyways, moving on. If we go back to the home screen, after we take two inventories, what we can do is create a variance report. We can't do it right now because we don't have two inventory worksheets created as it says, but once we're able to, then we'll really be able to see what's going on and where we can address and fix problems. As you're doing this, what I'd recommend, and probably before you even start, is to go up here and select this question mark icon, and then this takes you through the entire, it says top 20 setup. So this is essentially what we're doing, the key ingredients, and tracking them. So this takes you through the entire thing. I think it'll probably be worth you sitting down and reading it. I've already done this step, create ingredients database, add to edit ingredients. I don't think you'll have to do this. Configure inventory worksheets. I've done this already. connect ingredients to menu, I've done this as well. So really the step we're on right now is take first inventory, which you'll be in charge of, and enter invoices, take second inventory, and generate first variance report. So once again, if you click through each one of these steps, it'll tell you this one has a video that you can look at, also step-by-step instructions. So once you have this first variance report created, let me know and we'll discuss the results, and then come up with a strategy to really make a difference in our liquor cost.